is include a little coffee cart, a local coffee shop. Okay. And for those of you that think that might be expensive, well, there's actually great ways around that. You can include a coffee voucher. So if you find a coffee shop local to you, don't do the Starbucks because, well, you want to keep it local to that neighborhood. And with these local coffee shops, a lot of them will do something like a voucher with you. So you're only paying for what the people come in and redeem. And you can use that as a tracking system as well. Is that what you're showing?
Julie's got something to show.
So a friend of mine owns a company here called Lifestyle Magazines. I've done business with him for years just because I like his product. And now it's the Pocket Lifestyle. And these are $25 a piece. And I know that sounds pricey. However, it's my logo. And on the back of this, every one of these has a little punch hole. This is all the restaurants in the Knoxville market that have allowed either a 15% discount, a buy one, get one half off. If you're a couple, you get half off of your lunch if you're eating by yourself. I put my card in the back. I put this little punch card in here, and then the top part has a list of all the restaurants. It's a little fold out of who participates, and I also give them this. And
very cool.
Listing and selling your home. And we have a very long process. This is part of our listing presentation, so I'm not going to share it necessarily with everybody, but it does give you a little bit about the market, my market coverage area, and everything that the Julia Hurley Group is able to do for you as a seller. And some of our partnerships, it also includes, by the way, this is something that you all may want to think of. I picked out 7 of my best clients. And when I say 7 of my best clients, these are clients that I have dinner with regularly, people that I know, people who have sent me business, regular business. They buy and sell a lot with me. And I've asked if I could provide their phone numbers and emails to potential clients. And so those are also listed in here. Please call my clients. Please look at my social media that's marked on the back of this and see that we have earned our 5-star reviews. This is my numbers compared to the Knoxville market as a whole. As you can see, I'm actually running better numbers than the entire Knoxville market combined. Those numbers can be pulled for broker metrics. So if you have a team leader or a broker in your office that helps you with those things, have them give you that information. This is just as easy, and this is free instead of having to pay for a market snapshot. If you're a new agent, if you're an experienced agent, the market snapshot is obviously your best bet. That's a little more costly. But if you're a new agent, put information about how you compare to the rest of the market and hand that to a seller as well. So technically a pre-listing packet, I guess you could say.